Right, here we have a Red Camper's Trekker boot unit, or boot camper. Right, so I just want to show you something. It's 9 AM on Saturday the 2nd of February 2019. We've got the Berlingo Micro Camper bed here that I made. Just have a look how long it is, the length of it. I'm going to do some modifications to this. First of all, I took the bottom board off that was on it. I'm only going to show significant bits. So what I'm going to do next is work on this end and make it so I've got a drawer that slides out. I'll show you that. Before I show you what I've done today, check this out that my dad got me a screw set. Got it from Screwfix. Look at all them. So it's 7:15 at night and I'll show you what I've done. I've fitted this beam here and this beam here. I've fitted that at the bottom. I've changed it. Fitted this one here that runs along there. I've also, this was what my main work has been on this. At the end now, and this is where the boot lifts up. I've got this, comes out like that, and then it'll come out this far, and that'll have the cooker on it on the top level. So it's took a bit of design, but designed it so it fits this cutlery tray. So I've put a piece of wood on the bottom there, bit wonky, but that's what I've done today. Hi, it's Sunday the 3rd of February 2019 and it's 9 PM at night, so I'm going to show you what I've done today. First of all, this piece of wood that went on here now lifts up. It's on a hinge down there. Done that. Then these two pieces was a solid piece that was fixed in. I've cut them. They're not on hinges yet, these. I'm going to do that tomorrow, put them on hinges. What else I've done? Fitted that bracket there. It holds the lid flat. I've also painted this beam in undercoat. I've fitted that there again. Hold the lid flat and that. And just done bits of painting. Right, now I want to do some painting. I know it's late, but it'll only take me an hour. So, do I paint it matte black? Or do I paint it satin white? And you shall see tomorrow when I catch up with you. Okay, so it's 3 PM on Tuesday the 5th of February 2019. So it's a few days later now and the bed's finished. All I've got to do is put a panel that runs along here and I'll just show it you. First of all, you've got this compartment, what the portaloo fits in. That's that. Not painted the underneath. Couldn't be bothered. No point really. I've done green and blue splatter design. Then you've got this. Now this is just a storage box compartment. So fairly big. Now I need to put a hole about here so I can open it a bit easier, but it's a bit awkward to open. So if I lean that back, as you can see in here is a cooker drawer, right? So that's what took a bit of design. So there's the front of it. It's a little dog. There's the front of it, and it pulls out like this. So it pulls out like that, and that's it completely out. So I've got a metal guard to put here for the cooker. I've got a cutlery drawer and a bit of a gap there and some room there. And as you can see, that's the bottom of it. Nothing goes under there, but you can also push it back in like this and close this down, and you've just got a little cooker drawer there. Slides in and out easy. I want to fit a panel along here, the same green with blue splatter on. This is the extending bed at the end. Holds to 5'10" when this piece is on. I've took this piece off. Catch up with you tomorrow. Hiya, it's 10:35 AM in the morning. It's Wednesday the 6th of February 2019. So I did a bit of work last night. I didn't do much. I just fitted this panel here. So it's hardboard. I cut it off a spare piece that I had. I then painted it green and then splattered paint on it. And the paint is spray paint. So I've sprayed it. Right, okay, this is the end of the video. So it's just been a DIY upcycled bed frame build, and if you want to see me fit it, I'm going to fit it this weekend. Like I said, it's Wednesday now, so I'm going to fit it on Saturday or Sunday. But first of all, I want to insulate the car before I fit it. So you've been watching me, Paul, at One Man One Dog Berlingo Micro Camper. And if you want to see updates in between my YouTube videos, you can come and look at my Facebook page. That's just Berlingo Micro Camper. I'll put a link in the description below. Also, I'm working on a website, so I might put the link in that below, but it's very basic at first. Right, I hope you like the video and you find it helpful. And if you do, consider subscribing. Right, okay. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.